I wanted some wall sconces for my daughter's bunk bed that aren't permanent, just something we can put in the wall for now. So I went with these wall sconces. I love that they're dimmable. The top is really sturdy metal, very minimalist. It has gold undertones. It's easy to twist around, really nice. Little features here, looks great. On the back, you can see that if you wanted to, you can ground it and wire it into a wall, but it has this cord on it that you can twist to dim easily. Now, I did not like how long the cord was, so I simply pulled it down and then moved the knot down so it would be exactly the length that I wanted for my daughter's bunk bed. I tried taping it in there. I should have used better tape, but it worked just fine, and this is how they came out. Really nice. Now, obviously, getting rid of the cord completely would be preferred, but this works great for my daughter's room. The lights are beautiful. They give off the exact color I want. I use 2700 Kelvin LED lights. I love how they can twist around. These well-built wall sconces have a beautiful minimalist look to them, and I definitely recommend them.